Knott Scary Farm 2017. Maddie and I are here.
Yes.
We made it, and it looks as spooky as ever, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's a little crazy. There's monsters running around and scaring people. Did they scare you yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
They're not going to.
No. We've got these fright lane passes.
Yeah, which includes fast lane.
Which includes fast lane. So we can get on the front of the line for the rides and for the mazes. So we're kind of excited about that. Gonna get a lot in tonight. So they have all the roller coasters open too. Yeah, definitely. This is kind of a tradition for us. So how many years has it been?
This is our 7th year.
7 years.
Our 8th time going.
Wow, we've been here since 2011.
Yes.
Not continuously, not every day.
Not every day, unfortunately. But they do offer that as an option.
Oh, they do. Okay.
Yeah, you can buy a pass and you can go every day.
Oh, okay. Well, yep. So let's have some fun. This is kind of carnival, an evil carnival area. Yes. Look at this guy.
That was the coolest trick of all.
Oh, hi.
Look at me! Turn it off! Turn it off!
I don't think he likes the camera. We're going into Shadowlands.
Oh.
It's a samurai type story, isn't it? Okay, we'll see.
Should be fun.
Wow, that one was great, wasn't
That was
it?
fantastic, yes.
Yeah, it's too dark to film in there and everything, but it's really scary.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
I know, they have people jumping out at you all over the place, so it's great. Hi. Don't worry, I'm good. So now we're going into Dark Ride,
Yes.
which is an abandoned carnival.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
there's a carnival ride.
Okay. Okay. Evil clowns, I imagine. Another really fun one, wasn't it?
Yeah,
That was great. It was like an abandoned carnival and all kinds of stuff going on.
That was fantastic.
I almost cried. So we just went through another new one called Pumpkin Eater. Like Peter Pumpkin Eater.
Yeah, were you offended by that?
A little bit, yeah. Okay, on to the next one. That was a fun one.
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
There were zombies and we had like these guns and we got to shoot the zombies, so good times.
Yes.
I think I shot only zombies this time. Last year I shot like the doctor or
Yes, in the
something.
past he's shot the people.
Wrong people, the friendlies, yeah.
Sorry, I'm in your vlog. What's good?
Do you know who that guy was?
Which one?
I don't know.
The one with the feathers?
Yeah.
Tickled.
Now we are going to go in the mine train.
Yes.
That's always a fun ride.
Yeah.
We've been on through every single maze right now, and that's 9 of them, and we went through one of them twice.
Yeah, we went through Darker and 12.
A lot of stuff done, and we still have a lot to do. Okay, we're on the Iron Reef ride. Getting on it. Where are your sunglasses? They give us these special sunglasses. Maybe they're 3D glasses or something. Okay, well that was a great time, wasn't
Yes,
it?
it was. 100%.
Every year it gets better, I think. It really does. We went in 9 different mazes,
Yes.
one of them twice,
Dark ride twice.
some other rides, and now it's about midnight and we're pretty tired.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as we did. See you next year.